What if I told you that you can start your own business while you're still a student, even if you have little or no money? In today's video, I'm going to teach you 10 simple steps to start a business as a student. I'll also show you the biggest mistakes most beginners make, why most businesses fail, and how you can avoid those mistakes from day one. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because these 10 steps could save you months of trial and error and help you build a successful business much faster. Let's get started. Why students should start a business. Most students think, I'll finish my degree first, then I'll start earning. But that's the old way of thinking. Today's world is different. You have AI tools, social media, freelancing platforms, and smartphones. A business teaches you communication, sales, marketing, money management, leadership. Even if your first business fails, the experience is worth more than many classroom lessons. Change your mindset. Don't ask, how can I become rich? Instead ask, what problem can I solve? Every successful business solves a problem. Uber solved transportation, Airbnb solved accommodation, Netflix solved entertainment. Ask yourself, what do people struggle with? What skill do I have? What service can I provide? That's where business begins. Choose the right business. Here are beginner-friendly businesses. 1. Freelancing offer, video editing, graphic design, writing translation programming. 2. Social media management. Small businesses always need someone to manage Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. 3. YouTube automation. Use AI tools for script writing, voiceover, video editing, thumbnails. No face is required. 4. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products and earn commissions. 5. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, Notion planners, study notes. The best part, you create them once and sell them multiple times. Start with zero investment. Many people think, I don't have money. Good news, you don't need much money. Free tools include ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut, Google Docs, Google Drive. You can literally start with just a smartphone and internet connection. Get your first customer. This is where most beginners quit. Here's what to do. Create a portfolio. Even if you have no clients, make sample work. Then post on social media, tell friends and family, message local businesses, offer your first project at a discounted price to build trust and reviews. Your first client is always the hardest. The second one becomes much easier. Biggest mistakes. Students make mistake. Number 1, trying to become rich overnight. Mistake number 2, learning forever but never starting. Mistake number 3, giving up after one rejection. Mistake number 4, copying everyone instead of building a unique brand. Remember, consistency beats motivation. Conclusion. If you're a student watching this, don't wait for the perfect time. The best time to start is today. Start small, learn every day, improve every month, and 1 year from now, your life could look completely different. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'm starting today. See you in the next video.